Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. Begin by opening Gallery app. Now, if you wish to delete your photos from Photos category at the bottom left corner, click on it and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now select those dots at the top right corners. Exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep by tapping on them. And to delete the rest, select this bin at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to delete them from albums, tap on Albums section, click on one of them, hold one of your photos as well, but this time click on Select All at the bottom between Share and Create. Exclude some of them the same way, and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!